Good morning, students. Now our new chapter is 9. Chapter 9 Differential Equation. अब देखिए बेटा, what is differential equation? A linear equation in which one derivative is there. A linear equation in which one derivative is there. Exact definition for the linear differential equation is a equation having form of dy by dx. Just a minute, that is, sorry, a dy by dx plus x is equal to 5 and something else. If there is a one derivative single, then it's known as a differential equation, one variable and one constant, so that it's form a differential equation. And what is the order of this differential equation? Highest order derivative. Order order of differential equation is highest order derivative in that equation. Highest order derivative. Highest order derivative. Derivative present in the equation. Present in इक्वेशन. बेटा एक क्वेश्चन आता है 1 मार्क्स का ऑन दिस बेस. ऑर्डर हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव प्रेजेंट इन द इक्वेशन एंड डिग्री. व्हाट इज डिग्री ऑफ दैट डिग्री? ही इज आस्किंग अबाउट द ऑर्डर एंड डिग्री. व्हाट इज डिग्री? द पावर ऑफ हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव. द पावर ऑफ हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव. हाईएस्ट order derivative. Power of highest order derivative is known as degree, and highest order derivative present in the equation is known as order. Now, in exercise 9.1, determine order and degree of the differential equation. बेटा order और degree बताने हैं हमें. d raised to the power 4y by dx raised to the power 4 plus sin y की पावर 3 इज इक्वल टू 0. बेटा ऑर्डर क्या हुआ? आप कहेंगे सर ऑर्डर 4, सॉरी, बिकॉज हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव इज 4. एंड व्हाट इज डिग्री? देखिए बेटा, यदि डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन dy बाई डी एक्स एंगल में हो या नेगेटिव में हो, या तो एंगल में हो बेटा या एंगल में है, जैसे कि साइन dy बाई डी एक्स, देर इज नो डिग्री. ओके, no degree, no degree, but order is 4. Order 4. Why? Because highest order derivative is 4, so order of this equation is 4, and degree we can't determine because dy by dx present in the angle. In this equation, second question, y dash plus 5y is equal to 0. हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव बेटा y डैश को हम dy बाई डी एक्स लिखते हैं, तो हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव ऑर्डर इज 1 एंड डिग्री इज y डैश की पावर कितनी है बेटा 1, तो डिग्री इज 1. सो इन सेकंड क्वेश्चन बेटा y डैश प्लस 5y इज इक्वल टू 0, यू से ऑर्डर 1, डिग्री बेटा 1, क्योंकि y डैश को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं बेटा dy बाई डी एक्स प्लस 5y इज इक्वल टू 0. तो बेटा हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव कितना है? dy बाई डी एक्स, दैट इज 1, ऑर्डर इज 1, और हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव डिग्री इज द पावर ऑफ हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव. पावर ऑफ हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव इज 1, so degree is also 1. In this question, order is बेटा ds by dt and d square s by dt square. तो आप कहेंगे सर इस order is 2 because highest order derivative is 2. Highest order derivative is 2. Okay, and what is the degree? Degree is highest order derivative की पावर कितनी है बेटा 1, not 4, तो डिग्री भी 1. In this question, that is ds by dt raised to the power 4 plus 3s d square s by dt square is equal to 0. Then highest order derivative is 2, and what is the degree? The power of highest order derivative. Power of highest order derivative is 1. So degree is 1. Okay, beta. In this question, highest order derivative is 2. So order is 2. And what is about the degree? But there is dy by dx in angle. So we say there is no degree. ओके बेटा इस क्वेश्चन की कोई डिग्री नहीं है बट ऑर्डर 2 है. इन दिस क्वेश्चन d square y by dx square is equal to cos 3x plus sin 3x. Since beta there is no dy by dx in angle, there is no dy by dx in angle, so order is you say 2. Order is 2 and what is the degree? Degree is 1. Highest order derivative की पावर कितनी है बेटा? 1. So order of this question, fifth question is 2 and degree is 1. In this question, highest order derivative is y cube. So order is 3 and degree is highest order derivative raised to the power that is 2. So degree is 2. Order is 3 in sixth question and degree is 2. क्यों बेटा? क्योंकि this is written as d cube y by dx square cube की power 3. So order is 2. Order is 3 and degree is 2. In this question, order is 3 because highest order derivative is 3 and degree is 1. In seventh question, beta order is 3 and degree is 1. In eighth question, sorry, order is 1 beta y dash and what is the degree? Degree is also 1. Okay beta, highest order derivative power is 1. Next beta y square y dash square is in this question beta order is 2 and degree is 1. Order is 2 because highest order derivative is 2 and power of highest order derivative is 1. So degree is 1. In this question beta order is 2 and degree is 1. Order is 2 and degree is 1. The degree of the differential equation. देखिए बेटा order is 2 but degree is not defined. Why? Because beta sin dy by dx there is differential equation in angle, so there degree is not defined in this question. ठीक है. The order of the differential equation, order कितना है बेटा इस क्वेश्चन में? 2 because highest order derivative is 2. Simply बेटा order क्या होता है? जो उस क्वेश्चन में हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव है that is order. Highest order derivative present in the equation is order. And what is degree? The power of highest order derivative. But there is one condition in degree that the dy by dx is not present in the angle or in the power, so, such that e raised power means e raised to the power dy by dx in this form. If this will be present, so it's not a that degree is not defined. Degree is not defined in this situation. If dy by dx is present in the power or in the form of angle sin dy by dx, in that form degree is not defined but order is defined. Okay, now it's over for today. 9.1 which complete. You do it yourself. Okay beta, bye, take care.